Hi guys, I'm Melvin from AI and Robotics with Melvin, and we are gonna start a new tutorial series on Jetson Nano. Okay, let's hop into that. First, I'll talk something things about Jetson Nano, and we will continue with the setup. Okay, first of all, okay. When this is Jetson Nano tutorial series, after this is first I will start with GPI tutorial series on Jetson, then we will go to computer vision, then some AIs like deep learning and object detection and image recognition. We will do that too, and then okay, that's what I am thinking of now, and after that sometimes we will do some other things also. So to continue with my GPI tutorial series, you really need a Jetson Nano, and if you guys if you guys does not have a Jetson Nano, you guys need to buy one. Or my computer vision tutorial series will be on Linux, and some I'll also show you a setup video on Windows too. So you guys can do it with a Linux machine. Okay. Computer vision for complete beginners, guys, because most of the people start with AI, and they do some things that shown in the YouTube videos, and if I do that, then they cannot build something self. So I am going to show you from complete beginners, so it will be from you guys can build by yourself after that, after my tutorial series. So let's see that after some time. Okay, now let's go to let's see my Jetson Nano. Okay, this is my Jetson Nano. This is B01 version. This is the newest one for now. Okay, there's an older version A02 and a new one 2 GB of Jetson. You guys can continue with any of these ones. 2 GB or 2 GB is a little more cheap, I think so. It's 4,000 and this cost me 9,300. In Indian rupees, in dollars it's 120 something dollars it will cost. For me in US it will be $900 I think so. Okay guys, when you buy a Jetson Nano, you really need to power the Jetson Nano. You can use USB power supply, but you need a really good power supply that provides 2.5 amperes or 5 volt 2.5 amperes. But in India, got this a good. When I powered using that, also it was not so good. So I recommend you to power using a pair adapter. When you use a pair, you need to put this jumper over here. And the newer V01, the jumper was already provided by the NVIDIA team in that box. But the older one and the V0 they use an USB-C. That is really great. Updated that you are using the USB-C. That's really better. And you need to put the jumper over here, and you can use this power supply. I have brought this 5 volt 4 ampere power supply for Jetson. It's really perfectly working, and it's this is needed actually. This power supply is needed to do all this deep learning and processing. Okay guys, and we need card reader and an SD card. I am using this SanDisk Ultra 64 GB and it's class 10, so it's 100 megabytes per second. I think 100 MB per second. That is really needed because to flash an OS, that is good to flash using a good SD card. Buy a new one. Don't use the old ones. Sometimes the SD card would be corrupted if old ones it is. And okay, and also I recommend you to buy a fan and a case. I have only put the case of the bottom piece. Because when we keep it, it's better to have a case that do not scratch the boards down parts. And now I didn't build the case because I need to use the GPI pins on this. So this is really great board for AI and robotics. I have used a Raspberry Pi, but this is really better than Raspberry Pi because it has this super GPI when I tried so many demos on of NVIDIA, and also I used this Google Earth on this, and it's really awesome to use the Google Earth on this. And then what? Yeah. Okay. We need a SD card, and if you guys does not have an HDMI display that provides sound, then you guys will need this sound card. This is USB 2 input output, and Jetson does not have an input and output sound. Only the output is coming through HDMI. If you guys does not have, you guys will really need this to buy to use it as a desktop or not desktop. You need to hear and give input, and also buy a camera if you guys need to do the I brought a webcam. Its links are in the description if you guys need to see that what I brought. And okay, okay, there's no input of the sound, and the Jetson Nano is really a great board. I really like it for robotics, and I done deep learning and all this stuff on this, and it's really fast. I got 30 frames per second in the object detection and all. Okay, so let's go to the setup and installation of Jetson. Okay, 1 minute, guys. Okay guys, open and Chrome browser window and search Jetson Nano setup, and go to that link. I have put all the links in the description. If you guys want to buy this power supply, or you guys need to buy SD card or fan, all the links are in the description. You guys can check that. And this is Jetson setup for Jetson Nano 4GB, and this is for 2GB. There's no big difference for the setup. I'll show you. Okay, go to I will show you both of the setup. Okay, this is Jetson introduction. You guys can read the introduction on these things. It's written we need a 32GB SD card, but I recommend for the 64GB, and keyboard and mouse, HDMI and USB power supply, all that things you can read first. And same here also, you will need USB-C. It's written USB-C, USB-C power supply, 5 volts 3 ampere for it's for 2GB, 5 volts 3 ampere. For 4GB we use 4 ampere actually, and this is a written 64GB. You guys can see that also. Okay, let's go there. Okay, let's go preparing for setup. Okay, next step, give next step. Okay, writing image to the micro SD card. That's what we mean. And instruction. I'm using a Windows system, so instruction for Windows. There are instructions for Linux, and there is no big difference. Okay, let's install. Let's download this memory card, SD card formatter, and I didn't told you this. Okay, first one we need to download the SD card image for Jetson Nano. Okay, when we click this, it's gonna go to the latest install Jetson Nano image. So if you guys are seeing this video in the after some times in the future, it will be something different, so that I recommend you to download this. I'll show you. I recommend you to download Jetpack 4.4 M1. That's what I recommend you to download. Okay, go to this first string, STK 4.4.1. okay, and go down. Okay, Okay, there is an SD card for Jetson Nano developer kit and Jetson Nano 2 GB developer kit. Okay, for 4 GB you guys can download this, and for 2 GB you guys can download this. Okay, and better to download what I'd used now for now, because I have installed done all the things in this 4.4.1, and it's perfectly working for me, so that if you guys are using the same software and hardware, it will be easy for me to figure out things. I have also used the latest SD card image, that is I think it's 4.5.1, I think so. Yeah, I have used some things are different in that, so that I need to figure it out. So it's easy to you guys to start with this SD card image. Okay guys, click on this download SD card image. Will start downloading. Use an Ethernet cable to download, or you should have a faster internet. It's 6 GB actually, guys. You guys can see it is 6 GB. We need to download 6 GB, and it will take for me it will take only 20 minutes, because I have 60 Mbps per second. If you guys in the internet is slow, it will take a long time for you. Okay, so okay, next we need let's go to the next. Okay, now we need to for SD card formatter. We clicked on this link. We need to click on this link, and we'll go here and go to the down. This is all this policy things, and go down and give accept. It will start download of the SD card formatter. Okay, it's a zip file. Okay guys. Okay, it's download completed. Okay, I have already downloaded the jetpack. Okay guys, it will take you guys to download it. Wait for the download to complete and come back to my video. Okay, and okay, next step. Next step. These steps are for same for the 2 GB and 4 GB. Okay guys. Okay, now we need to install Belena HR. Belena. Yeah, where is Belena? It's a download. Yeah, it's a download link. Okay, go to that. It will automatically find your device and download that too. Okay, download for. Okay, download this. It will take some time to download. Okay, it's downloaded. Let's go to the next step when it's downloading. Okay, go give yeah, give next. Yeah, there are two ways to interact with the desktop, with display, keyboard, mouse, or headless mode visa, connecting to another computer. I am not gonna show this one for now, because I am not gonna show you that for now. Let's do the normal setup using a keyboard and mouse. Let's go with that. Okay guys, now after it's downloaded, let's go to set, open that. Opening it, sir. You will install first when it's opening. Okay, run. Okay, yeah, accept. Its installation is gonna be completed now. Now let's go to this SD card formatters where downloaded folder. Okay. Okay, this is the download for. I have the SD card image here, SD card formatter, and this banana setup. All this are in this folder. Okay, extract here. Extract it here. Okay, this has been launched. Let's keep it aside for now and open this extract what we extracted. Click on this setup. Okay, it's installing, preparing for installation. Okay, welcome to installation. Next. Yeah, I have already installed this, so that it's showing me like this. For you it will be different. I'm gonna give repair for now. It will be just install option for you guys. It should be installed and it will get installed. Okay, now sometimes it will ask for your administration password if you are not an admin, if you are not login admin. Okay, let's open this SD card formatter. Okay, it's okay, it asked me for administration password. I gave the password and okay, now I have not plugged it. Okay, let's plug it. Okay, wait for a minute. Okay guys, okay, now take this SD card reader and plug this put this SD card in the card reader like this, and plug it to your laptop. Okay, plug it to your laptop. Okay, I plugged the SD card to my laptop. Okay, now I minimize this. Okay, when we first plug it, it will ask like this. Okay, I guess I have already formatted the SD card once, but if it's new, it will not show like this. Okay, when it's pop up, it's for me it's F. For you guys it will be different. Sometimes H or something like that, or I or something like that. Okay, let's give any label. I have already given Jetson Nano for now, and let's click on this format. Yes, give yes, and it format so fast. Okay, format complete. And close do not close, keep it there as okay, go this it will be already launched for you guys if you are as my or go for, if it's not coming, go for here and search, and it will come up. Yeah, it's already here. Sometimes it will be or subset and it will get it. Okay, it's already select a flash from file. Yeah, click on that, and my downloads is here actually. Where's the download? Yeah, download. This is here. Okay, this is a click on this zip file. It will automatically detect the OS and all that things. Click on the zip file. It will load it. Okay, it's loaded. It's written B01 image. For you guys, it will be, if it's 2 GB, it will be something else. Okay, select the target and click on this. I'm using now for this video. I have already installed an OS on this before I was testing, so that I am using another SD card I have. Okay guys, let's flash it. It will also work fine. Okay, let's flash. It will ask for some permission, I think so, sometime. It's starting. Sometimes it will ask for permission. Let's see that. It should ask. I'm waiting for that. sometimes yeah, it's, you guys can see it is actually 14 GB of, or it's 14 GB actually, the OSs, but it's inside that zip folder actually. It's 14 GB. It will take some time for you guys to flash it. It will take some, yeah, there's asking the permission. You give permission also. Give the permission for that, and it will start. Sometimes it will take 15 minutes or some, if your laptop is slow. For me, I don't know. Yeah, we can see now it will start. Okay, it's starting. It's showing 30 minutes actually. 5 megabytes per, yeah, it will take a lot of time sometimes. So I'm gonna pause the video here, and yeah, right after the flash I will come back. Okay guys, yeah, the flashing is finished, and it is validating, and now it will finish. Yeah, it's finishing. Okay, it took me I think 15 or 20 minutes it actually took me, and flashing. Okay, flash has completed. You guys let me see. Okay, flash has completed. Let's close this, and now if you go to computers, if you're using Windows and something, it will not pop up here. Okay, now we are gonna go to the first boot. Okay guys, okay, if you guys need to do the now I'm gonna show you with just using a keyboard and mouse and monitor. That's what I'm gonna show you first. If you guys does not have a keyboard, mouse and monitor, I will show you how to use it through the headless complete setup from without all the keyboard, mouse and monitor. If you guys are gonna use the if keyboard and if it's headless mode you are going to use, then use the DC power supply is really needed. Okay guys, and the other you guys can set up is using a micro USB for now, and after that you guys can buy one power supply, but the DC power supply is really good to have, because that is the power of that's how we power the Jetson actually. Okay, now let's go to the after flashing. Now let's remove this SD card from the PC, and this is the SD card, you guys can see. One minute guys, I'll make it bigger. Okay guys, now let's this is the SD card. I have removed it from the PC, and let's put it here. Actually, it's XLC. Here is an SD card slot over here, and let's put it and press it in, and you guys can hear sound. Actually, it will like that. We will fix all that, and after that, okay. After that, we need to plug the HDMI, keyboard, mouse, and the power supply. So before that, I need to say some things about the first boot. Okay, after that I will go to that view. Yeah. For now I'm gonna show how to do it using the keyboard and mouse and Jetson. The headless mode will be in the next video. It will come to the next day or tomorrow or something in the future. Okay guys, after the first boot I'm gonna show you all the other things also. Find your way around. There's a there's a course on Jetson. You guys can enroll if you guys wanted it. Certificate it's not that big, I think. Okay, and go next. it okay, that's all there so much. And also I recommend, if any doubts you guys can ask me in the comment section. And also I have a Telegram channel in the link is in the description, and subscribe to my channel. Okay, let's now okay, now let's go to let's power this thing up, and I'll go show you guys okay, now I'm gonna pause the video and plug all the I'm gonna plug HDMI, the keyboard, mouse, and the bare power. Before, when you power the bare power, you should put the jumper over here. Okay guys, okay, I'm going to that. I have plugged the Jetson Nano and it is booting. Okay, it's the first boot. Waiting for that Ubuntu screen of setup. Okay, the screen has come. Now let's set up it. Yeah, give accept terms and conditions, terms of this license. English. Okay. English. Keyboard layout is I'm giving you English US, and I'm in India, so India. And now username, password, and all of that, all these things. For me, I'm gonna give password. Okay, require my password to log in. Automatic login. I'm gonna give automatic login. Continue. And this is the file size. Okay, continue. Press continue. Okay, the system configuration. Okay, it will fast. This is so fast, it will go fast. Okay, copying installation. Yeah, it's completed. It's coming now. It will reboot. Oh yeah, sorry, before rebooting it will apply changes. Yeah, some things is when after first installation is complete, it will take updation, so you need to plug that Ethernet cable, and it will take something 600 MB of files to download and install. So that will happen after the installation, but I'm not gonna show that for now. I'll show that in the next video. Okay. Okay, yeah, now it's rebooted. Now it's gonna reboot. Okay, now it's rebooting. Yeah, the happy little NVIDIA sign have came. It is there, you guys can see that. Yeah, the desktop has reached. Now we have the NVIDIA desktop, and this is the keyboard shortcut. I close that. Sometimes yeah, when you power the internet, I will show you. I'll plug this Ethernet cable to Jetson. Okay, when you plug it, it will show some Ubuntu setup, I think so. Let's see. Yeah, this is what's new in Ubuntu. It will show you this, and it gives this next.
I don't do this. No, do not send information, and click next. Done. That's all. Nothing to do. And okay.
Okay guys, we have successfully booted Jetson Nano using a keyboard, mouse and display, and the next video I will show you how to do it using serial communication with another PC without any extra keyboard or monitor. Okay, in the GPA tutorial series we will start with controlling LEDs, then controlling switch input from switches, then we will take input from IR sensor, then we will put the output through buzzer, outputting buzzer, then we will do servo control, servo motor control, then PWM, then we will do dimming the LED using PWM, some things like that, and we will we will do so many GPLs, and we will stop one place and we will start the computer vision tutorial series. Then in the middle I will show you some GPIs extra to make your AI or your program better, and like that we will continue. So subscribe to my channel and like the video. Yeah, okay, bye, see you in the next video.